Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about today's video. Based on the title, you already know what this is about. But before I even get into that, I've been doing YouTube for about 6 months now, and I don't know why I still have that expectation that when I turn the lights on, when I turn the camera on, got my audio on me, that everything's gonna go fine. So I recorded this video yesterday. I was talking throughout the video, for the most part, the stuff that I wanted to say. And so I go this morning to edit, and of course I can't hear a word of what I'm saying. So I get frustrated and annoyed, and I'm just like, I need to take a minute. So I'm just re-recording it. So that is why I have on a different shirt from the beginning of the video. My shirt will be different from when I'm actually putting the products and stuff and doing my hair. And then of course, I'll have a different shirt on at the end when I show you guys the final results. So I just wanted to clear that up for you before we get into this video. Yes, products I use. Products I use for this wash and go is this is definitely a holy grail for me when it comes to gel now. Like, I don't even pick up Eco Styler anymore. This is my go-to. So the gel that I use for this wash and go is the Biotin Infused Styling Gel by the Main Choice. The Dew Most Def Texture Foam. This stuff I just started using about 2 weeks ago, and I've loved it. I'm gonna get into something I've noticed. I don't know if it's because of the mousse or something I did, but I'll get into that in a second. There we go. Sweet Oil Honey Endless Moisture Sealing Cream. So I use that for this wash and go. So this is the results of using the sealing cream as opposed to what I used the first time. What I used last weekend was the 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner. So the wash and go with the slow-mo that I insert at the beginning of this video, that went, I'm gonna say, mini viral on my Instagram because nothing I've ever posted did so well. I use this one instead of this one, but they're both the Main Choice. Nothing I've used by the Main Choice has done me any wrong. So either one, if you have one and not the other, that's fine. But that's pretty much everything I use in this video. A disclaimer I wanted to say. So during the week last week, I was experiencing tons of flakes. Like, I would just be like, and then it just be snow instantly. And I don't know if I know it's not the gel. I've used the gel by itself before, and I don't recall experiencing as much flaking as I did this past week. And something I did do differently was I had to refresh my hair about day 3. It was either day 2 or day 3 last time due to not properly sleeping, not properly doing what I do to preserve my curls, you know, the ponytails. It wasn't a mess, but it was just, I had to pretty much re-wet most of my hair, and I added a lot more gel in there. And so I think it may have just been too much products all together in my hair, you know? Your hair can only hold but so much before it's like, eh. I can't carry all this stuff. So I'm gonna see how things go with this wash and go. I'm not gonna refresh it. Yeah, so far I haven't, it's not like super duper snowflakes or anything. So I think I'm good. But we'll see. I'll let you guys know via Instagram what's going on with this wash and go again, because I've done back-to-back wash and goes this past 2 weeks. So next weekend I'm gonna do something different. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you are missing all the tea. I have been sucky at editing and uploading videos regularly on YouTube, but I do, for the most part, keep my Instagram pretty updated with stuff and content. So follow me on the gram. And I'll be sure to follow you back. Unless you're like a hair page and I'm not interested in buying hair, get into this video. Alright, so when I do my wash and goes, I work in sections. Basically the sections that I wash my hair in. So I have one section in the back but I'm going to end up splitting that into two sections in the middle and then two sections up front, which, depending on the size of that section, I break it to a smaller section just so that it's easier to work the product through and shingle. So I am getting ready to split that section in half, pinning it up out the way. So now I'm going to get the sealing cream and I am going to break that through this section. This is acting as my leave-in because I did not put a leave-in before. I just washed my hair. And now I'm using my dipping brush. You don't need to use a brush to detangle. If finger detangling is what works best for you, then do that. But you want your hair to be nice and detangled so that it's easier to work those products in and shingle it. So now I'm grabbing my gel and I'm adding about a pump or two of mousse, and I'm going to mix those two together. I don't apply the gel and then the mousse or the gel. I just mix them up together and put them both on there. I'm going to work that through the section. What's important is you want to feel that product on your hair. You want to feel that it's coated majority of your strands from root to tip, because if this product is not coating those strands, your wash and go. You're going to have frizz, your definition isn't going to be on point. So I make sure to add quite a bit of gel and mousse in my hair so that I feel that each strand is nice and coated. And once I get to that amount, that's when I start to shingle. And so for me, shingling is just separating, feeling like where my curl kind of naturally is forming on its own. Some sections it does that fairly well. Other sections I have to create a clump of curls, which is fine. So I'm basically just separating and clumping those curls together and smoothing it out with me rubbing my finger down the shaft of the hair strand, smoothing the product in to create a nice, cute clump of curls. And that's, shingling has definitely helped me get my wash and go to the next level. At one point I was not shingling and I was just hoping for the best, but now I shingle every section thoroughly, and when it dries nicely. Well, you guys know how it dries, but yeah, that's what I do. So this is, now I'm on the middle part of my hair. I didn't show you guys the other side of that back section. This is a better angle. I've already applied my product, and this is kind of fast forward so that, you know, it's not a very long video, but this is a close-up of basically what I'm doing in my shingling. Separating the curls and smoothing them down. Smoothing the product and the curls with my index and thumb. This is a process. Somebody perfectly worded it. I think it was Style by Cami. Someone perfectly worded a wash and go as a wash and work. And that is so true. I love that analogy. This is not an easy, it's not as fast as other styles, but I do love wash and goes because, you know, you sit here, you do this process, but you don't have to wait for your braids or your twists to dry. You just get up and go on about your day, and then your style is done. Once you put in this work, it's done. You don't have to unravel. You don't have to fluff out. It just does its own thing, and that's what I love about washing. Alright, so I am halfway through the process, giving you guys a quick little slow-mo of this movement and this bounce. You can already see how defined my curls are going to be. Six tongue out in 3, 2, boom, yes! Curls are popping. It's looking good so far. So I'm going to speed through some more footage of me doing the rest of it, the front. Same process, shingle, shingle, shingle. That basically is what takes up the majority of the time of putting the style in. Since I recorded this, I would say, see, I had two 30-minute clips. So it took me about an hour to put all the product in my hair and shingle. And that includes blow drying it. You guys are going to see a clip coming up when I finish of me grabbing my blow dryer. So I blow dry my hair to help the drying process along, but normally I just let it air dry. And I typically do my wash and goes in the morning, early in the morning, which gives me time throughout the day for my hair to completely dry. But I did not have that luxury today. I was going to the curl essential when I wanted it. I needed my hair to be dry. So I grabbed my blow dryer. My blow dryer was mostly on cool, and I did switch to warm, but I did not do hot. So it was a mix between cool and warm air, and then the flow of the air, so how fast it was coming out, was the highest setting. Some naturals are scared to go there. I wasn't too afraid. I don't know if it's my hair texture or the amount of gel and mousse I put in my hair, but I did not experience much frizz from having my airflow set so high. So yeah, if this is something you think you would want to do, then go for it. And this is the final result with my different shirt on. I got those gold bobby pins from Target, my favorite place in the world. And as you can see, I still have some movement, I still have some bounce. This is the end of the day. This is after the Curl Essential event. And my hair is completely dry now, and I still have movement, I still have bounce, and I was clearly loving the results. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will be sure to answer them. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.